The trick with this one is to create enough space around the battery, so I'll show you how to do exactly that, as well as which battery to use and what to expect after installation. To gain access to the battery, pull and lift this cover on top. Disconnect the airflow sensor depending on your model, either pulling a red tab upwards or unclipping the locking pin with a flat screwdriver. Now we'll loosen the clamp on the intake pipe. And then this rubber flap to remove the airbox. The airbox is unclipped from 3 rubber mounts, but the trick is more to get it out. Next we'll disconnect the positive terminal first. Now it's normally good practice to disconnect the negative first, but due to its location it's almost impossible. So just make sure your tools don't touch any other metal part while doing this. Unclip this front cover by lifting it and pushing the sides outwards away from the battery. Now there's a bracket over the battery with a nut on each side. The battery can now slide forward to disconnect the negative terminal. It's hard to see here, but the clamp nut should be on top, similar to the positive terminal. If you notice a little black box attached to the negative, this is the BMS, or part of the battery monitoring system, which we'll get to later. The dimensions of this battery is crucial to get a proper fit, but they seem to differ between models, so you'll have to match yours with the old one. I'll share more info on this a bit later. For now we'll work in the reverse order by connecting the negative terminal first and then the top bracket. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. Clip the front cover back in and connect the positive followed by the airbox and airflow connector. There are 2 batteries in the 80 amp hour range with this length, but different heights. We use the 175mm enhanced flooded battery to fit the bracket. I'll also leave a link in the description that shows how to do a BMS reset, which is recommended after a battery change. You shouldn't have any warnings on startup, and a radio code isn't necessary. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.